Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here different types of halo acids are given. The first one is fluoroacidic acid, second one is fluoropropionic acid, third one is dichloroacidic acid, fourth one is bromopropionic acid. You have to arrange the compounds by pKb value. Please note pKb value. Answer lies in the two simple facts. Acidity increases with electronegativity. Normally fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. Then acidity decreases with the distance of the functional group because effect will decrease based on the distance. Normally you are finding the pKb order. pKb order means higher the acidity, higher will be the pKb, because more basic means lower pKb, acidic means higher pKb. So here question is about pKb. So simply find the acidic order will help you. So fluoroacidic acid will come because fluorine is more electronegative and nearby. Next is 2 electronegative chlorine atom. This 2 atom is there which is more electronegative, so it comes second. The third one is fluoropropionic acid because fluorine is 2 carbon away and it will come third. The bromine comes least because of distance as well as electronegativity. Here the concept you have to learn here is acidity increase with the electronegativity and the acidity effect decrease with the distance. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.